Yo, it's your boy J Car. It's your boy J Car for the 3P. We got 3 bottles of water. And we about to make it pop, you know what I'm saying?
Fancy boy Chess Beats. From the Hoolies. It's Champ from the Hoolies.
We about to make it rain. We about to make it rain, literally. Yeah. Yeah, I'm saying.
3P. You got to go from the other side. You go from the other side.
What the fuck this nigga up?
3P, nigga.
Just keep yourself.
Derrick Rose in the end ended up last week with the Chicago Bulls.
The Wolves end up 1-2 on their back-to-back-to-back. The Bulls are now 2-0 on their back-to-back-to-back with another game coming up on Wednesday night. Now, for the Bulls, you know, obviously Derrick Rose was special. They don't win this game.
Hey, man, he say 3P, nigga.
Get some threes, but they'll need some of those other guys that are playing significantly.
What the fuck was that?
Blue all day with some daggers there in the third.
Hey, say 3P, nigga. 3P.